Remember the smell of your favorite childhood snack? The sound of your favorite cartoon theme song? Or the feeling of playing outside until the streetlights came on? Nostalgia has a magical way of transporting us back to simpler times. But did you know there's actual science behind why we feel this way? And what if I told you that you could recreate those childhood memories in 2025? Let's dive into the science of nostalgia and how you can bring those warm, fuzzy feelings back into your life. First, let's talk about why nostalgia is so powerful. According to psychologists, nostalgia isn't just about reminiscing, it's a way for our brains to boost our mood, reduce stress, and even strengthen our sense of identity. It's like a mental time machine that helps us feel connected to who we are and where we came from. Studies show that when we experience nostalgia, our brains release dopamine, the feel-good chemical. That's why thinking about the past can make us feel so happy and comforted. So, how can we recreate those childhood memories in 2025? It's easier than you think. Let's start with the senses. Our memories are deeply tied to what we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. To bring back those feelings, try revisiting the sensory experiences of your childhood. Bake your favorite childhood recipe, listen to the music you loved as a kid, or even dig out that old video game console. These small actions can trigger powerful memories and emotions. Another way to recreate childhood memories is to bring back the activities you loved. Did you used to play board games with your family? Or build forts out of blankets? Gather your friends or family and relive those moments together. Not only will you feel nostalgic, but you'll also create new memories with the people you care about. It's a win-win. Photos and keepsakes are another great way to reconnect with your past. Take some time to look through old photo albums, yearbooks, or even your childhood diary. These tangible reminders can instantly transport you back in time. And if you don't have physical photos, try scrolling through old social media posts or digital albums. The key is to immerse yourself in those memories. Here's a quick recap of how to recreate your childhood memories in 2025. Engage your senses, revisit the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and touches of your childhood. Bring back the activities you loved, like games or hobbies. Connect with old photos, keepsakes, or digital memories. Share these experiences with friends or family to create new memories while reliving the old ones. Nostalgia isn't just about living in the past, it's about bringing the best parts of your childhood into the present. So, what childhood memory are you going to recreate first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a happier, more meaningful life. See you next time.